I'll put something in the middle of the train track. Let's see what happens to him. It might derail. Never know. I'm right next to this shit. If he derails, fuck it. I'm dead. Okay. Oh, come on. Wrong side. Wait, actually, it is the right side. Fuck you, bitch! There's arm tracks, motherfuckers! Arm tracks, motherfuckers! I'll kill you all! He stopped right there. Yo, he stopped at the right time too.
He did stop at the right time. How big was it?
It was the workout thing.
You hop on it?
Huh? Bro, make sure there's no fucking workers coming from the back. I don't know. We stopped the whole cargo train. It's making all this loud noises. I don't know. Where does it go right now?
Go what?
Does it go home? Alright. I'm gonna end the video now. We stopped the cargo train, so I got what I wanted, so let's go.